So you want to become a software engineer? Tutorials are one of the go-to sources of knowledge, and even though it's a good resource, tutorials are usually not enough. Hear me out. The issue with many tutorials is the fact that you are not getting the full experience from the tutorial. You are getting an experience where all the errors has been removed, whereby the person that is even making the tutorial has already gone through a loop of making a solution, finding the error, removing the error, then giving you the baked product, which is not what you want as a software engineer. As a software engineer, you need to understand the places that you can fail. You need to familiarize yourself with those kind of failure points, and you should be able to foresee when these failures are going to happen. And it's in this process that you're actually going to learn how to be a software engineer. And some of the resources that you need, even though there are many times that you're going to be needing tutorials, you also need a pathway where you actually need to work on projects, or you need a structure that you need to follow so that you can become a software engineer. Example of such resource is using something like Frontend Mentor. You can get smaller project that you can work on, or better still, you can check Roadmap.sh. This website lists out different roadmaps for different pathways, and it includes things like projects and things that you need to learn in the way, and articles and videos. Roadmap.sh is the resource that I'm going to suggest to anybody that wants to start in software engineering. So you can go through it. This is the front-end developer roadmap, and there are still other ones. There's the back-end here, and you have other projects that you can work on, and some of them have the different projects you can work on aside what you have to learn. So in this backend, you have the task tracker, and it ranks them from beginner to advanced. And aside having just roadmaps, there are also specific skill-based roadmap. So if you want to learn Vue, there's a roadmap for the Vue skill, and for each of the section there are things like articles that you can go through, and some will also have videos that you can go through. So what I'll suggest to anybody that wants to start their journey in software engineering is to stick to a particular structure. Start with a particular roadmap. At any point in time, if you need more knowledge or resource, you can go to documentations, and you can also go to tutorials, but don't trap yourself in a tutorial loop. Subscribe and give this video a like so that you can get updated when I upload videos like this.